Hey there, I'm Kate from Foyer and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that I know a lot of you are curious about, rooms in a house. Now you might be thinking, rooms? Really? But hear me out, there's so much more to a house than just bedrooms, kitchens, and bathrooms. Each room has its own story, its purpose, and its vibe. And guess what? We're going to explore different types of rooms you could have in your dream home. So, whether you're planning your next renovation, designing your dream home, or just here for some fun ideas, stick around because this is going to be good. Let's start where you start, the foyer. It's the first thing people see when they walk into your home, and honestly, it sets the tone for everything else. Think about it. It's the transition from the busy outside world into your cozy little sanctuary. Keep it simple but functional. A place to hang coats, maybe a small table for keys or a vase of fresh flowers. And hey, don't underestimate the power of good lighting here. Ah, the kitchen, the heart of the home. Whether you're whipping up a quick snack or hosting a dinner party, this space is all about function and flow. Modern kitchens are all about maximizing space. Think islands for storage, smart appliances, and cozy nooks for coffee or breakfast. And let's be real, adding a little greenery or some bold colors can totally elevate the vibe. Okay, so the family room, or as some call it, the den. This is the space where you kick back, relax, and just be yourself. Unlike the formal living room, the family room has personality. It's where mismatched furniture, beanbags, and quirky knickknacks live in harmony. Pro tip: a central fireplace can add so much warmth, literally and figuratively, to this space. Next up, the dining room. Now, I know not every home has one, but if you do, it's the perfect space to go all out. Think bold wall colors, a stunning chandelier, or even mix and match chairs for a more eclectic vibe. And here's a fun tip. You can use a 3D design tool like Foyer Neo to visualize the layout before committing to a design. Now let's talk about the master bedroom, your private retreat. This is where you unwind after a long day, so comfort is key. Soft lighting, cozy bedding, and maybe a little seating area if you have the space. And don't forget, adding a few personal touches, like photos or your favorite artwork, can make it feel uniquely yours. For all my work-from-home warriors out there, let's talk about the home office. The key here is simplicity. You want a space that's functional but doesn't feel stuffy. Think a sleek desk, a comfortable chair, and maybe some plants to liven it up. And remember, good lighting is non-negotiable, natural light if possible. And don't forget about your guests. A guest room doesn't have to be fancy, just cozy and welcoming. Fresh linens, maybe a little reading nook, and some storage space for their things. It's the little details that make all the difference. And for those with kids, let's not forget the playroom. This is where you can let your imagination run wild. Bright colors, soft flooring, and lots of storage for toys. And the best part? It keeps the rest of your house relatively mess-free. Now this is a dream for many, a home theater. Picture this: plush seating, a massive screen, and maybe even a popcorn machine. And don't forget to soundproof the room. It's all about creating that perfect cinema experience at home. Finally, let's talk about the garage. It's not just for cars. It can be a workshop, a gym, or even extra storage space. Keep it organized with shelves and hooks, and you'll be amazed at how functional this space can be. And there you have it, different types of rooms that can turn a house into a home. So which room is your favorite? Or maybe there's one on your dream house list that I didn't mention. Let me know in the comments. And if you're ready to start designing your own dream home, definitely check out Foyer Neo. It's a super intuitive 3D design tool that lets you visualize your ideas before making them a reality. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more home design tips. See you next time, bye!